Oh darling, let me tell you, there is simply nothing that compares to the feeling of slipping into a pair of exquisitely crafted flip-flops. Truly, it's an experience that transcends mere fashion. It becomes an extension of one's soul, a celebration of freedom and elegance intertwined. I have always adored shoes, you see. Since I was a young girl, I have been utterly enamored with the endless possibilities that a single pair of shoes can embody. They are not simply accessories. Oh no, they are portals into different worlds, different moods, different expressions of the woman I wish to be on any given day. And among all the styles, flip-flops have a special place in my heart, for they possess an effortless grace, a whisper of summer's promise, a breath of the carefree spirit wrapped in luxurious design. Shopping for shoes is, to me, not merely an errand. It is an art form, a delightful ritual that fills me with joy. The soft lighting of a boutique, the subtle fragrance of new leather and polished wood,